In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the tab name in Clickfunnels. When we say tab name, we're talking about the text that appears in the browser tab at the top of the screen, usually next to the site icon. This is pulled from your page title, and it's really important for both branding and search engine optimization. If it says something generic, like new page or untitled, it doesn't look professional, and it can make it harder for visitors to recognize your page when they have multiple tabs open. Let's walk through exactly how to update that inside Clickfunnels. First, from your Clickfunnels dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Site and Blog app. This is where you manage the overall structure and settings for your website, including the pages that make up your funnels and your site. Take a moment to let the page load fully so all your options are visible. Once you're inside the Site and Blog app, click on Overview. Think of the Overview section as your control center. It gives you a high-level look at the different parts of your site and makes it easier to choose exactly what you want to work on. From the Overview page, look for the option that says Edit Site and click on that. This will open up the area where you can see your site's pages and templates. You might see a list or grid of page templates here, depending on how your account is set up. Next, select the specific page template you want to edit. This is important. The tab name is set per page, not globally, so make sure you're choosing the right page, like your home page, a landing page, or a thank you page. If you're unsure, you can quickly preview the pages to confirm you're editing the correct one. Once you've found the page you want, look for the small gear icon next to that page and click it. This gear icon represents the settings for that particular page. Clicking it will open a panel or window with a range of configuration options. Inside the settings, find the section labeled SEO and Sharing. This is where Clickfunnels stores the information that controls how your page appears in search results and when shared on social media, as well as what shows up in the browser tab. In that SEO and Sharing section, look for the field called Page Title. This is the key field that controls your tab name. Click into the page title box and type in the exact title you want to appear in the browser tab. Try to keep it clear, descriptive, and on brand. For example, instead of something vague like welcome, you might use free webinar registration, your brand name. After you've entered your desired title, the final step is to save your changes. Click on Update Page, give it a moment to process, and make sure you see a confirmation that the page has been updated. Once that's done, you can open your page in a new browser tab or refresh an existing one to confirm that the new tab name is displaying correctly. And that's all there is to it.